Yo, what's up guys, Andy here, and today we're taking a look at the new Cash App layout. So we got a new pop-up in the bottom left corner that says your balance, stocks, and Bitcoin are now in one place. So let's go ahead and tap on that, and it looks like we have a brand new layout here. So you can see my cash balance up at the top, and then Bitcoin and stocks below that. And it looks like they've removed the Bitcoin and stocks section. Instead, now in the bottom right, we have a search option. Search for people or businesses. I'm not sure why you would come on Cash App and search. And then we just have the activity feed. So they've kind of hid Bitcoin and stocks in this balance screen here, kind of deprioritized it. Is this only on my app? Is this also on your guys' app? Let us know down in the comments. Very confusing why they would do this. As you know from my recent videos, I don't advise doing Bitcoin or stocks on Cash App just because they can close your account for any reason and then you're forced to just sell those stocks. You can't like transfer them or anything like that. You could transfer out the Bitcoin, but there's other better apps, I think, like Strike that I've been using. You can check out videos for that on my channel. But yeah, new Cash App layout. Pretty weird that they have deprioritized the Bitcoin and stocks section. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.